This video will have a fast food copycat recipe you will love. Stay tuned. Alright, welcome back to my channel. I'm excited because I'm making the Saweetie meal now at McDonald's, but I'm making it my own version. As you can see, that's a pound of ground beef. I put the seasonings in first because, I typically like to season my meat before I put it on the grill. You can use your hands to form it into a burger patty, or you can use a burger press like I did. Do whatever is convenient or whatever makes you happy, do that. After you mold it, put it in the fridge and store it for about 20 minutes. We're gonna move on. Oh, don't forget the indent with the thumb. Alright, we're gonna move on to these potatoes over here. So if you got a knife, you can use a knife, or you guys a french fry cutter, use the french fry cutter like I did. If you use a knife, try to get them as uniform as possible. That way they cook about the same time. Alright, you're gonna soak that in cold water and salt. We're gonna move on to the chicken. Alright, so I marinated my chicken the night before. I used sesame dressing and I cut it up into small pieces so they're like, chicken nuggets. I placed them in the flour, the eggs, and the Andy's spicy chicken fry. That thing is amazing. I waited for the oil to get hot and I placed my chicken inside of it. Let it cook for about 4 to 5 minutes. Then I flipped it over and about 3 to 4 minutes on the next side, and there we're good to go. Now, here I have the burger. I placed it on the grill. I prefer charcoal. Just brings out the flavor for me. Now resist the urge to press down the burger with your spatula or poke holes in it. You want to keep those juices inside. It makes for a really good burger. Now, when you're cooking your fries, make sure that you dry them off with a towel completely because, hot oil and water does not mix. Unless you're a glutton for punishment, you're asking for trouble unless you dry those fries off with a towel. Now, let's build our burger. You can build it however you want to build it. This is how I built mine. And if you don't have a middle bun like McDonald's, I just use the bottom bun of another bun. Sometimes you gotta get creative in the kitchen. Use what tools you have available, it's okay. Just make it look good, make it taste good. We're all good, And look how high it's stacked. McDonald's right now is tossing and turning in their bed because they didn't hire me as a chef. There you have it. The copycat fast food meal. Saweetie meal. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe. I have more content coming to you in the future. Thank you.